Hey guys, welcome back to Faith for Keto Kitchen, where we make keto delicious. So today our delicious treat is chili lime crackers, flax crackers. We're going to mix only 4 ingredients, which is super simple, quick and easy, and we're going to mix some crackers. So I came up with this recipe because I was looking for like a flax cracker. I don't know, I think it's called Flaxers or something like that out there, and I went to go shop and I was thinking I wanted something crunchy, something, you know, tasty to go with my cheese and meat, whatever. So I go to the store and I'm like, I'm looking at the boxes at the flaxseed crackers. I'm like, why is it $8.99? Why is it $10? And there was only a few crackers in there. Super expensive. So I'm thinking, I can make this myself. I mean, it's not like but a few ingredients in there. So that's how I came up with this cracker recipe using golden flax seeds. So hope you guys like it. So let's get started. So what you'll need is about 1 cup of flax seeds. These are from Bob's Red Mill, but you can use any flax seeds. I like to use the golden ones because it makes it come out a little lighter and crisper. You need about 1/3 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I like sharp because sharps give you that bite. You need about 1/2 cup of water and about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of this awesome chili lime seasoning. I get this from Trader Joe's. I love their seasoning because their seasonings are so inexpensive and you can boost up any flavor of your meats, of things like the crackers or whatever you use, even veggies, with their seasoning. So get this. This is really essential. Of course, you can add your own little spices as well. So what we're going to do is just take that 1 cup of flaxseed, add about 1/3 cup of shredded cheese. Watch how super this is. It's so simple, watch. Get you some of that seasoning. I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon because I think that I'm going to sprinkle some on the top. Okay? Mix all that together. Make sure it's well incorporated, guys. Have you guys ever made this? Like, have you made your own crackers? Let me know if you made your own crackers and what type of crackers have you made before, you know? Because, you know, when you're on the keto diet, generally you can't have like the regular crackers, white or saltines. Ritz used to be my favorite cracker because it's like buttery, so I love me some buttery crackers. So when you put in the water, guys, make sure you use a little bit at a time because you're trying to get yourself somewhat of a dough. So you might not need the whole 1/2 cup of water, so kind of like a little bit at a time there. Get that all stirred up. Add a little more. You're going to start getting this stuff absorbing the water, the flax seeds, to get yourself a dough. Might need the whole thing. Hold on, let me see. That's pretty good. I think I just want, you want it to be kind of like a little wet dough, a little bit loose. So what I did was, I love these silicone mats, without the tress on the end. I love these silicone mats because it definitely helps cookies and baked goods not to stick, but I also like to just place it on here and roll it on the mat. Then I can just transfer it onto the cookie sheet or the baking sheet, okay? That looks about right. Should be about like that, see that? And the flax seeds absorb all that moisture. So what you're going to do is put it on the mat. Put it on the mat. Smooth this out of the way. Shape it like into a rectangular form. You know, because you're going to cut these with a pizza cutter to get the shape you want. So what I like to do is get it spread out a little bit. Let me get a towel. I like to get it spread out some, and then I will put a piece of parchment paper on top of it. So this way, when you roll it out, it's not sticking to the rolling pin. Let me get my rolling pin. Where's my rolling pin? Trusty rolling pin. You're going to roll it all out. And you roll it to a thickness of almost the cracker thickness that you like. Okay, so now we got it rolled out. Pretty good. Make sure it's still, then pull the parchment paper off. Set that to the side. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but you're going to make your slices to make, you know, little cracker squares, any size that you want. But all you're doing is slicing them through. I like to make them like those, I won't say the size of a Triscuit per se, but maybe like a wheat thin, if you know what those are. Just slice it like that. Enough to, a nice sized cracker where you can get your little toppings on there. But you can also make these smaller if you want to make them for the kids. So you can always make little bite-sized crackers too. So just handy to have. You know, especially if you're doing any type of diet. This is just not for keto diet, but it is great on the keto diet. But this can be used for any type of eating lifestyle. It doesn't matter. I mean, whatever you're on, if you're trying to lose weight or if you're trying to just eat healthy. Because flax seeds are really, really good for you. They have the omegas in there, so they're really healthy for you. Let's get those slices in. I'm trying to be perfect here, but you know, I like to have some kind of uniform slices. This squares. There you go. And that one up there. All right, guys. I'm just gonna chop this little piece off. So we're gonna transfer the. Let me move this a little closer because I don't want to drop it. Transfer this over to your baking sheet. I need to get my bigger baking sheet out, but this will do for now. And then I'm going to bake them in the oven for. Let me see what my recipe says. Bake these in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes actually. Check on them and then you can turn them over if you want to get them crisp on both sides, and then we'll be right back. Hold on guys, I totally forgot. If you want, you need to top it with some of this chili lime to give it a better boost or kick. Alright, so let's top it and then we'll put it in the oven. That way, you know how crackers have that little bit of saltiness on top? Like that. Okay, so I took the crackers out of the oven. What I did was, guys, I had to kind of like perforate them again with the pizza cutter, and I kind of get them broken up, turn them over, let them cook an additional like 5-10 minutes, and then turn off the oven, and then let them sit in the oven so they can kind of dry out for about 10-15 minutes. As they dry, they'll get crunchier and they'll taste good, and all the flavors will melt together. So we're gonna give one a try. This is what they look like and sound like. See how crispy that is? Really good. Can you hear me crunching? Delicious. So, I like this flavor. We have another Parmesan flavor one on our website as well. Faith, the number 4 ketokitchen.com if you want to try that one out. If you like this recipe, of course, give it a try. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. And subscribe to our channel. Also, hit that little bell thingy so that you'll get notifications every time I upload a new video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this day and have an amazing week, and we'll see you next time on Faithful Keto Kitchen. Bye.